Wait. Don't skip this video if your iPhone is stuck on iCloud activation lock or showing iPhone locked to owner. Because in the next minute, I'm going to show you something that most people don't know about. Many iPhone users think that once their device is locked with an iCloud activation lock, the phone becomes completely useless. Some people even stop using their phone or spend a lot of money trying to fix it. But here's the truth. There might still be a way to unlock your iPhone, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you how to unlock an iPhone iCloud activation lock step by step. If your iPhone is stuck on the activation lock screen, make sure you watch this video until the end and follow every step carefully, because missing one step might stop the method from working. Also, before we start, hit the like button, share this video with your friends who have the same problem, and subscribe to my channel because I regularly upload helpful iPhone fixes and unlock guides. And if this method doesn't work for your iPhone, don't worry. Just comment your iPhone model below, and I'll try to help you with another solution. Now let's get started and see how you can unlock your iPhone from the iCloud activation lock.